hesitation, complications. Stop acting like you keep forgetting all the things that you did for me. You can go ahead and just stop pretending. Confrontation, all these fightings. Man, I'm tired of all these.
Good morning, everybody from Majuro Marshall Islands. Today is the third day here in Majuro with the COVID. Third day. We're gonna go to testing sites today, set up by MoHHS and NDC and all the good stuff. So we're gonna go and see what's up, what's going on in those test sites, and see if anybody has anything to say about taking their COVID shots, you know, getting tested and all that. So let's go, man. Let's go and find out what's really good out there. All right, you guys have a great day. Catch you later. So we here at the studio with Christina. She's cleaning up the area because one of our teammates got infected with. He's positive, so we gotta clean this place up before and after every shift. Yeah, before and after every shift, you guys gotta clean.
Yeah, we gotta clean now, right now. Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, latest news I got from AE saying that only one test and treatment site is open, which is Delap Elementary School, because due to some of the workers are from MoHHS tested positive. So now they're shorthanded. So only one test site will be open, one test and treatment site will be open, which is at Delap Elementary School. MiHS or Marshall Island High School has been shut down, not shut down, but closed down for the time being until everyone recovers, or if we can find more people to help out. So yeah, that's the latest. We're gonna go visit DES right now. All right, everybody, check it out. I'm about to go to LFA Handicraft where my auntie them owns. She says she has a face shield for me, so I should go and pick it up. So for that, I thank you so much, Auntie Lucia. I appreciate it. Love you guys. Thank you for always looking out for me and my family. Really appreciate that. And here we go. So yeah, here we go. I'm about to pick up my face shield from their store. If you guys have any questions about their handicrafts or Marshallese handicrafts, Marshallese accessories, check out their website. Shoots then. Oh, here we go. Yes, sir. Check it out. We can cover here, on top of here too. Oh, snap! This is total securement. That's a new word, securement. I don't know. But yes. Wow, this is awesome. This is like, maybe I should put it in the mask. That's a good idea. Alright, folks. Now this makes a lot of sense. This makes more sense because I have my mask inside, also the face shield, and then my outer layer of mask, and it's very secure. Look at that. Cover everywhere I need to cover. Yes, sir. Thank you, Mama Lucia, for the face shield. It is very beautiful. I love it. Oh my goodness. Yo, let's go play some paintball. Wow, this is awesome. I love it. Yes, sir. Well, we're gonna go to MiHS to check it out, see what's the situation, see if anybody's there to update us. In the meantime, y'all be safe. Man, I got the gloves under my sleeve. I got my shoes, my socks under my pants. Let's do this. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we here at MiHS, and it looks like there are some people here. We're gonna go find out what's happening, and we'll let you guys know later. See what's going on. Well, as you guys can see, there's a lot of people here. I think they're about to open it up and do some testing and treatment, because from the words I got earlier, it was closed. So we're gonna go and find out. Well, at this time, we're gonna go and let Dr. Joseph give you some advice and then some answers to your questions. So if you're out there, come up with your they were closed a little bit early, but now they're open. So just come in, get your shots, treatments, whatever it is they do, come on by. Yeah.
Ja, magdala. Kamulol te marilang. Pas kamulol mo chawar. Wawa to kilo juan rana kal. Ano to kay rano ko in karo ilo. Tayo ko an nangan mijin. Me yan tatarong majali. Imino sa idi ni sa itu lo majalah high school jo yung company oleh bante jo ko oleh bante jo ini jangan oleh community ko kajuji lo oleh ban rita kain peran company oleh bante jen suawa ko kapok tayo ko ngan nangan bijin me ejele to inti lo train awan lang abang ko jo ko jitu kelen awan populated lang arme ngan ngan company service kain eno to kay parang balale eluni ya staff war lo chicken aj mo jitu ko tangono tan barong pen marong tabrak lo train war wala nga parte ko no to kay war rumit ya kia itene chitu ko dot kilen ela je charbole jen chupongan pong apa anabang ak chitu ko tangono dan bara ng kia jeno setup chicken charbole ka ipen chugujugin pere kay na parchonalan ani jen kajaraman kayo yan kumol
Dengan medyo dengan oleh road ni kami galo jit siguro. Mo ini nung.
Okay. Ano to kay chicken kagaligal ko kain. Ngay karong olep chicken pero ko pa matan choco chicken kagaligal ko kain. Nemi dogon minin awro ngan chabarot. Ba kumay ko itong kamanit tayo kain. Ano to kay kia Minya tayo kain nangan mijin ajeret ya. Minin awro. Pero tayo kain ilo side kain di company tayo ko kagaligal ko pangak yem kam lila ko ako ngan ro me jibi ko ako ayer ako che jibi la ko ako ngan ro jibi ko ro ba jitu elang uno ko ngan lila ngan rain ora pa jitu ben nangan mijin mi pen nangan mijin ya war ko ba ro imro to el tada ro penguno ko ayer enot rutangar ro rai pelataro kana raja baru to kom refill uno ko Parchonani karong public pe ijogo kain majalela high school ka Delap elementary school e jogo jigen serbe jigen respect jigen no to ka hospital giya yagilak an olap service ijalla ko not emergency ko Parchonalan kamolol komoyala bilo amina lorwa winning elap tada cooperate pen marong tabar cara balik minot kung paano yan ang mall.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was MiHS. Now we're gonna head to town to go to Delap Elementary School to see what's up over there and see how the crowd is. In the meantime, let's give some round of applause to MoHHS for doing what they do. And if you guys can be patient with them and give them time to do what they do, because like I said in my other video, they're doing the best they can. They are trying to contain everything and make sure that everybody gets their COVID shots and their boosters. And at the moment, some of them got tested positive, but they're gonna recuperate and come back out in 5 days. So let's wish them the best of luck. You know what I'm saying? They're doing the best they can, and hey, we're all humans, right? We get sick too. So to everybody out there, please be safe. Take it easy out there. All right, shoot it. All right, everybody, check it out. I'm over here at DES. We're about to check out the crowd and see what's happening and see how's everybody doing, because right now it's very crowded, as you can see. But yeah, let's go and get it.
Perjuangan iya we antara kamolo lani kan nurunnya jemu kamolo Charleston chen sebini kenal malam perjuangan YouTube video cikin cara boleh ini kancing mana boleh public kan orang nalai ini cara boleh company cikin takado ko yung antian kalajer dengan nangin ini jadi Thailand kainar lang kain Charles Lomae ang Junian Majuro lo public yellow ad lo istoryan aja mo dan lo weekend manoy ini pelin Junian lo kamu tuh cara balik lale haram ini kata screening kongan ketuk nangin milik COVID-19 itu siguro cuanar lo unin tayo tis Weh, ano lewat malalay ko rapti talay lo wawin cara balik sino yan ranyo ini nagtalap tis nga nar kembali per cara balik screening kuat ilo nangin milik COVID-19 malalay jadi ini anime itu hari Cino ini agar pelancar lab anak ini kayak ibu kamu kalau dan wawin kerja baru keluar itu wawin makan itu nangin menyingkul yang hari barang kantola baru yang karangan karuan paulian bertak dulu yang kerja tuan mana abang lo terbalu ini kemudian bulan rajang ala baru ni kalau tak ada orang cipa kalau cikin tak ada orang yang mencela aja lagi majalah high school yang tis itu lain ini bulan lang cikin dari waktu kermano kami cigokin kemudian karung kayu ada dengan cikin cek ini ada yang kedua Separai lot kaje barok wawin paparay nangin digin kayo yung nalalagay cicay mo yun cibarak takatong nalit nangin digin kaya tinapon paparay kajarawal cicinon ne katana aram karangan karok ko yan cibigay yung urut terkejut lukin lagi mezo paparayam kanangin micuan, paparayam pagpunangin mecam. Ilamu tu belum, lain tak ada. Mengenai orang kecil itu yang kebak orang juga ini, paling menurut cilang. Kain ini ada caleg, kalau menurut cilang orang jauh, ini turut kedalam. Kecil muagi kecil itu kuai karangan air minum. Agar rainin dia, you know that mal wawin cara balik itu. Cara baru rando, abang ko ini cak kagamamal rainin. Jo lagi, tu namanya tis, jadi kan kehidu je. Dan ini pelentah kerengan kian. Kejo je do cip-cipin pergi dong lagi. Makul kawar merong tandai. Kagaman mal wawinan aram itu betul lain keinan, lain tak ada lebih. Doar cerpen doa ini itu pun malak. Ya lagi ini peyan pegawaian rujukan nangin. Berion, wawin itu tak kuat dalam ruangan pegawaian nangin macam. Siapa yang bikin kiri? Kemudian hijau kejujuran yang rela begini, rorai. Itu wiriago mereka orang kembali juga pernah yang kecibang para orang mengirinan, pecep orang mengirino bilani riai, irino bikin rorai kau bilang wah. Yang mulai tadi namanya krizi, guru mujibwe, lain jaga ini namanya cara krizi peperai dengan alam, nggak gendiru, pijer, yang lain ini itu bulan cuan ranjau itu, cipungan pung, cip celak, gendiru, pijer, cedera tanam macam apa, agak nganu macam kuyuy, rugian, rugi lain lagi. Yang lockdown ay bijana itu kan yang na itu bijana itu ngan itu kan jadi pun mau cuman karya lang ala no jadi baru keron lahan baru ko yung gawin nga ala ko itu pala rocher kalau kemana kalau para narami rin kenal pagkajab kaya lalim ni meron kili headshot apa rin itu belum lain din to orang partoya jalan ini itu lain ini pagkakayur mo ko kalab ni mer dan per to ya ko Tatay lawyer to penagiri ro to to. Kayo yun cara malam cibang aron. Ang kamakaja kaja rumah jano ma. Rai wi lay ma lain. Sini ini kijabut ay to lain ki. Orang cibang ro ne mata karo rai wi. Cibang ro mingar kamakaja cara malam yung paro naman. Yang manangan ro rumah jano manangan kuyo cuma. Ako pulen ini ilo wayang cara malam ko. Ilo wayang pabarain nangin ni. Apa yang cincap melolok, lajar pun menyebabkan lajar kelang benyo, ketolak rojek, coba talangan itu kok ke circular nanti, lo ungu terlalu, aku coba mengalangannya kan, par paparai kayak gitu kan, kayak pilih pohon itu naungi jangan pengenangan itu, melon nangan itu nang rojek tu, kayak jadi penrona sibang kayak baru baru, kok kayak baru gua aja kayak baru. Yang pulen ini makanya yang lain nangin ini. Yang perlu nangin ini cuci cibar aku tu cuci ini kamu kaji kaji pun. Perlu pun kalau lo tak ada orang yang perlu kayak aku tu belajar orang sini dah tayak karangan dia lagi. Nak pulen ini nang orang lagi jangan cikin tak ada itu. Ngaji jalan lagi yang berarti dengan tu. Ini Rio ngai kejadian cara balik penrona. Rumah jaga Rio, rumah jaga Rio terkejut lo, awal makan sudah terkejut lo dia ni. Dia nangan. Nantara tak ada orang ada, terus orang ada dia. Rio itu kampung kuat, melam melelai pe. Sini rimcetan. Aja Rio yang lama kayak rumah jaga. Orang kerutung. Perjalanan wawin, yang berarti perjalanan tererari ini kalau kita kerja ini, Lomae nangin menjadi berapa. Aku pelan, nangin orang lain ini pelan dengan enam tu lo, pandangan mata kai dengan kamu lo, charge dengan yang ciri dengan perkarang kayu itu island fee, pelan. Rotol aja naik ke ini berapa sidang lo wawin kincang orang kembali jadi nama jalan kayak orang berkirim wawin sidang atau naik ke karena rotol kincang jadi ini cara kan naik ke kemarin iri nuji kamu nak kaget dan sidang atau orang orang itu bunga kue jika cinu ini jalan kan nangin iri itu kayak ibu biar dengan air di lapangan itu. Kaya manui, jalan kaya mantin air yang kainar aja nol. Cini beri ini cara balik ini, ini ini tulen makanya lo karya cara balik ini air yang kucing. Mana tu kainar aja nol aku ngomong. Karena kamulul lagi. Coba kamulul, dengan matanya bisa beli. Perjuangan kamulul, perteruan, sekretarian, ministeran, ruj, yang clear itu, ministerium, yang lebih gitu macam. Apa kamulul lah cara amal dengan air yang kiri, ya kau yang hal.
Alright everybody, that was DES right there. As you guys can see, there's a lot of people outside of the gates. And a lot more inside of the school. So, like I said, man, Red Cross was also involved. Shout out to Red Cross. Also, MoHHS, keep doing what you guys are doing. You guys are doing amazing. We thank you all. Everybody has to thank you guys. You guys are doing good. Forget what anybody else has to say about that. But anyway, yes, that was DES or Delap Elementary School or Delap Public School. Yeah, as you guys can see, there was a lot of people. Now, we're about to head back, and thank you, Charles Lomae, for that wonderful speech you just gave. It was good. Your opinion matters too. So yeah, let's head back to the office, see what's up, do some work, and yeah, see you guys later. Shooty. What's up, everybody? We are done for the day. I'm a man, Darrison Typhoon DT. You know what I'm saying? Downtown.
What's up, my nigga?
Anyway, we're done for the day. Gonna about to head home.
Everybody be safe.
Yep. All right, everybody, about to head home. I want you guys to be safe at all times. Wear your mask, social distancing, wash your hands, and don't panic. It is still happening. So all the test sites are opened. I believe MoHHS at the ER area, I believe they open at 6 o'clock nighttime. And I believe MiHS is still open. And yeah, you guys. And then DES is still open. So for those that haven't got their shots or haven't been tested, please go and do so. Get your booster, vaccinations, whatever you have to do to find out if you're infected or not. And yeah, big shout out to Dr. Charles and also Dr. Joe, giving us good words. All right, you guys have a great day. Stay safe. Keep smiling. Kidding. Also, I want to give a big shout out to these guys right here. Kevin Wase, thanks for the suggestion of the fuel money. Torres Boaz, thank you for keeping up with me. And also, Beinam Ysawa, thank you. And Dan Ned, thank you. Big shout out to you guys. Thank you for always updating yourselves with my videos. Alrighty, shoot.